Hey there. If you've been around the internet, you might have seen one of these type of little mechanical hands going about. And I'm deciding to make one for Judd McStud. Well, two actually. So I just started working on a quick prototype to see if it is possible to do. And it works okay. Unfortunately, using pipe cleaners does mean that this one doesn't work all that well, but all I gotta do is go out to a store and pick up some string when I've gotten the time. So, I plan on getting some, maybe making them slightly bigger, I don't know, or maybe I'll just make them so I can use my own winter gloves. So, Judd McStud can have hands, and I will be working on some cardboard armor instead of metal armor. That way Judd McStud is safer to be around people, and I can then use for more commercial means, like having him showing up at an event, or just doing cosplay, or heck, even kids' birthday parties. That'd be funny, since I've got the giant robot, and I've got the van to do it. So, that is all for this video. Just a little bit of a hands up of what I'm working on while I'm figuring out how to deal with the terrain issue with Marduk. So, if you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.